firework, man?
Yeah, the guy at the counter made me just sign some papers. They weren't so important, I guess.
So what's the firework?
So, this firework is called the Type 93. The box said it was intended for underwater use, but we're still gonna use it up here.
Where's the fuse at?
Hey, get it down out here, will you? What are you even doing out here?
We're about to launch fireworks, sir.
Why at this time, though? You could have done it any other time. But now? Really?
Hey, man, don't raise your voice at me.
Hey, you want to fight? We can go back there and we can fight it out. You don't talk to my comrades like that.
Oh, you do nuke me?
Be quiet.
No, you be quiet. What is your problem? Why'd you even come outside your house?
Alright, don't talk to me
I
like
talk
that.
to you any way I want to.
Guys, I found the fuse.
No one cares. Yeah, no one actually to be out here, so be quiet. Hey, be quiet, you foreign filth. Oh, you want me to show you foreign filth? Oh, I'll show you something.
What is it, huh?
What is it? Is the fact that you're pathetic? You're the only one that's pathetic around here.